Imagine waking up to the scent of wild thyme drifting through century-old stone walls while sunlight dances off whitewashed archways. Today on Your Dream House, we're diving into traditional Greek living, and I'll share the single design tweak that instantly cools any room by 3 degrees without touching the thermostat. Harnessing lime-washed walls paired with reflective marble fragments, a trick locals perfected generations ago, but remains surprisingly affordable and environmentally friendly. Nestled on a windswept Cycladic hillside, my off-grid stone cottage taught me that design begins with honoring context. Thick limestone blocks, naturally quarried nearby, act as thermal batteries, absorbing heat by day and releasing it after sunset. By leaving interior walls exposed and brushing them with a matte beeswax finish, I saved on costly cladding and gained a rustic texture that marries centuries-old craftsmanship with modern minimalism, proving that budget decisions can elevate comfort and aesthetics simultaneously. Color plays differently against natural stone, and this season's trend toward earthy neutrals finds its perfect stage here. Instead of pure white, I layered warm alabaster, sandy taupe, and subtle sage in woven throws and clay vases, creating shadows that shift with the Aegean light. These hues echo surrounding terraces and olive groves, letting indoor and outdoor blur seamlessly. If your home isn't stone, try rough textured paint or linen slipcovers to achieve the same gently sun-kissed ambience. Space is precious when you're off-grid, so each furniture piece earns its keep. My living nook hosts a low cedar daybed that flips into evening bedding and tucks storage baskets underneath for candles and textiles. A vintage chest doubles as coffee table and firewood bin, while fold-flat rope chairs slide onto wall hooks when extra floor area is needed. Look for multifunctional silhouettes, benches with hidden drawers, nesting stools, or ottomans with lift tops, to maximize every square meter without visual clutter. Lighting in a stone house pivots on harnessing daylight. Traditional Greeks carved narrow south-facing windows that funnel brilliance deep inside while shielding from midday glare. A technique you can imitate with clear-story strips or skylight tubes. I swapped heavy curtains for loosely woven cotton panels dyed with indigo offcuts. They diffuse light, invite cross breezes, and cost less than synthetic shears. Pair that with strategically placed mirrors behind oil lamp sconces, and you amplify evening glow without raising your energy bill. Underfoot, cool flagstone floors keep summer temperatures bearable, yet winter calls for layered warmth. Instead of costly wall-to-wall carpets, I scattered small kilim runners in complementary blues and terracotta, an economical nod to regional weaving traditions. Their flat weave resists sand and goat hair. Yes, the neighbors roam free, making maintenance simple. If your floors are hardwood or concrete, positioning two overlapping rugs at slight angles recreates that organic island vibe while visually widening narrow corridors. The kitchen of a Greek stone home is a celebration of tactile materials. Open cedar shelves hold copper pots whose patina narrates years of tomato stews, while ceramic amphorae store grains without plastic. For a budget refresh, replace upper cabinet doors with rattan fronts or remove them entirely, displaying white crockery against a rough plaster backdrop. A single strip of hammered brass as backsplash catches candlelight, proving that small metallic accents can elevate a room anchored in earth tones.